Good morning, friends. Rather a great morning, a beautiful morning with beautiful rain in Delhi. Hope you all are enjoying. So, let's quickly take a look on what's all going to impact today's equity trading and how you should gear up for an action packed day. It's being Thursday and expiry. Things could be a little volatile, so be prepared. First of all, let's take a look at fund flow. So, point number one, FIIs bought around 350 crores, DII sold about 950 crores. FII sold futures approx 1600 crores. Index options were purchased by FIIs about 780 crores. On the other hand, they sold stock futures worth 765 crores. Now index options were sold too. So looks like in yesterday's session on the upper range, some calls were written. That's why we see a flat to negative closing in yesterday's session. Volatility was again low. Now it's below 21. So a perfect time. So not at all a problem. We should keep buying and keep making your portfolio. Things look good with given the volatility is low. So there is no big movements. And in this scenario, don't look for bigger opportunities. So I'll get back to that later on. In yesterday's session, PSUs did pretty much well. So looks like government is planning for some sort of stimulus, which we have been waiting for. That's why we see actions into PSUs. If we take a look at Nifty's chart, Nifty had made in previous two sessions. Nifty had made, if you look at last three sessions, two of them were doji candles with higher high and higher lows. Yesterday's session took support at the low of last 3 days back, and that was on Monday's low. Nifty took support. It's trading above 20 days plus 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average a little bit flat. Yesterday's volumes were a little higher than day before yesterday, and looking at some sell figures that's coming from institutions, looks like some profit booking is happening on the higher levels. So there could be a dip as well. 11,250 is very key decisive price for Nifty. RSI is negative, however MACD looks neutral. So overall market is in a kind of range bound movement. If we take a look at Bank Nifty, it was an outperformer yesterday with PSU banks doing pretty much well. State Bank of India, which was the only stock to make its position in our portfolio, rose about 4% in a day. For two consecutive sessions, it's been closing above 20 days moving average, trading above both 20 and 50 days moving average. So looks pretty much great. MACD has touched the signal line from below. So mind it. In case in coming few session, MACD crosses the signal line above from lower to higher, it could trigger a good rally on the upside. RSI is negative, hence divergence is still there. So be prepared accordingly. Keep yourself hedged. So this is how you should overall plan your trades. Volatility cooling off globally, looks like trend is going to stay positive. Nifty's trading range would be 11,250 to 11,500. So try to buy on dips, keeping stop loss of 11,230 and avoid shorts in the current scenario. In banking space is bullish. Try to make spread based positions instead of taking naked longs or naked shorts. Try to make some spread positions with premium writing involved so that you can minimize your risk, and at the same time you can earn on premiums. Premiums eradicating. So eventually, all I'm suggesting is volatility is low. Don't expect big movements. So try to trade the range. Go for option spreads. Auto index has given breakout buy on dips. Avoid energy. If energy looks like going into profit booking, keep a watch on Reliance. If 1100 level is broken, and if it sustains below 2100 levels in Reliance is broken, and if it sustains below that, it may further test 2070 followed by 2020 levels. IT looks taking support. Find buying opportunities but on dips only. Metals looks like in metal space something big is getting ready. In yesterday's session, metal index made a dragonfly doji pattern. So today's closing is very crucial. If today's closing is above dragonfly doji pattern that was made yesterday, it could trigger a massive rally on the upside. And on the flip side, in case the closing happens below yesterday's low, it could trigger a short-term correction as well. So in metals, plan yourself. We could be looking at some great opportunities. Stay tuned for real-time trades. Pharma looks going through some profit booking. Avoid longs into pharma, especially if it breaks 15,400 to 15,500 levels. So this would be all in today's session. Hope you all have a great trading session. Enjoy. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.